You don't even know me like that. Are you pressed for time? Put you on my mind. Come a little closer like that. Staying up all night, throwing drinks back. Blue eyes smiling while you're cursing.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys doing very well. So today we are going for my nephew's birthday dinner. I thought of shoot whole vlog like makeup and dinner and all. So I'm really excited, and also I'm going to swatch the Huda Beauty liquid lipsticks, and so this is a haze liquid matte minis liquid lipsticks. Packages come with 4 different lipsticks, and I really love all the lipsticks and except Venus one, because that one is too light on my skin color. And I'm going to swatch all the lipsticks after done my makeup, so you need to stick around me and watch this video till the end if you want to see all the swatches. And also before that, I'm going to give you a mini review. They are like a 4 mini liquid lipsticks, and they are so comfortable. It doesn't feel like dry, and also it doesn't transfer at all, like you can see. So I really love this shade. This is like my one of my favorite shade. So I really excited for this vlog. So if you really wanted to see, please keep watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss my any video, and also hit the like button if you like my videos. So without any further delay, let's jump in the video. So I already done with my base. I applied like foundation, and also I set my face. Now for contour my face, I'm going to use a Maybelline Master Contour Palette.
Oh, you, the second I saw you, I'm nervous that it's you. I'm nervous. I'm nervous.
Now for blush, I'm going to use Flower Beauty blush.
That it's you. I'm just saying, I can't ignore you. I'm not
For the eyes, I'm going to use a Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette.
might mess up and fall for you. I'm nervous. I'm nervous that it's you. Oh, you. That it's you. You don't even know me like that. Are you pressed for time? Put you on my mind. Come a little closer like that. Staying up all night, throwing drinks back. Blue eyes smiling while you're cursing. I admit it's working. You're working. Don't care, you're crazy, it's perfect. Shaky and I'm slurring, 'cause I'm nervous. It's you. It's you. Oh, you. The second I saw you, I'm nervous that it's
For eyeliner, I'm going to use my favorite RIMMEL London eyeliner.
I'm nervous that it's you. Now we don't wanna go back, blurring all the lines. push it, get back.
Now for mascara, I'm going to use a Maybelline Push Up Drama Mascara.
Yeah, your blue eyes on my plans reversing. You know that it's working. You're working. Don't care, you're crazy, it's perfect. Shaky and I'm slurring, 'cause I'm nervous. It's you. It's you. Oh, you. The second I saw you, I'm nervous.
Now for highlighter, I'm going to use again Maybelline Master Contour Palette, and I'm using this highlighting shade.
I'm nervous that it's you. I'm just saying, I can't ignore you. I'm not playing. Might mess up and fall for.
So now I'm going to swatch all the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte lipsticks.
You don't even know me like that. Are you pressed for time? Put you on my mind. Come a little closer like that. Staying up all night, throwing drinks back. Blue eyes smiling while you're cursing. I admit it's working. You're working. Don't care, you're crazy, it's perfect. Shaky and I'm slurring, 'cause I'm nervous. It's you. It's you. Oh, you. The second I saw you, I'm nervous that it's you. I'm nervous. I'm nervous. I'm nervous that it's you. Now we don't wanna go back. Blurring all the lines, been going from. I know that we push it, get back. Been losing my mind, like being lost in your. Yeah, your blue eyes on my plans reversing. You know that it's working. You're working. Don't care, you're crazy, it's perfect. Shaky and I'm slurring, 'cause I'm nervous. It's you. It's you. Oh, you. The second.
The makeup is done. Now I'm going to wear these cute earrings.
I'm nervous that it's you. I'm nervous. I'm nervous. I'm nervous that it's you. I'm just saying, press for time, put you in my mind. Come a little closer like that. Staying up all night, throwing drinks back. Blue eyes smiling while you're cursing. I admit it's working. You're working. Don't care, you're crazy, it's perfect. Shaky and I'm slurring, 'cause I'm nervous. It's you. It's you. Oh, you. The second I saw you, I'm nervous that it's you. I'm nervous. I'm nervous that it's you. Now we don't wanna go back. Blurring all the lines, been going from. I know that we both should get back. Been losing my mind.